Hi, my name is Tamika Young.
My name is Thomas Luna.
I'm Otis Great.
My name is Kim Folks.
I have been teaching with Centura College for over 20 years.
I am the Medical Assistant Program Coordinator.
And I'm the externship instructor.
I'm Charles Curry. I teach the medical assistants.
I'm Carla Ross. I'm the lead instructor here at Centura.
I've worked in hospital setting. I've worked in long-term care setting.
I had studied in London, England under one of the world's foremost OBGYNs, Dr. Katerina Dalton.
My father's a retired pediatrician, and I ran his practice for a number of years. He made sure that we were involved with the medical community and saw they gave up something in order to be something. And that's what we need our students to understand. I look at Centura as being student-oriented. Our main concern are our students. We have you. We get you every step of the way, from the first day to you walking across that stage with the tears streaming down your eyes because your family and friends are there.
We love to hear the success stories. When the students call back, I got the job. I got the job offer. That's what makes us go each day.
And it's an amazing feeling to see them succeed, especially when they're calling me and they're saying they got their first job. And it's like seeing your baby grow up over and over and over and over.
We have instructors that some have worked in the field, some are previous educators that have been in all different facets.
We range from all different areas in healthcare.
And they bring that worldly knowledge that you can't get out of a book.
We're flexible. We've been out in the field. We understand.
You will never come to my class and see me, oh, Lord, I got to teach these people again. I know that I'm teaching information that is valued, that is useful, that is usable.
So they get to kind of get the one-on-one with me, and I can bring in the patient care and the tips and tricks and the knowledge base.
We constantly put our minds together to ensure we are providing the students with the highest level of education they can receive.
I enjoy it. I take great pride in it because I always come to class prepared. I think the students deserve that I come prepared.
Our students are excelling not only in the classroom, but in the career-based setting. We're preparing the students with everything it is that they need to succeed in the real world.
And here we make sure our students are fully capable of working efficiently out in healthcare.
They're very well prepared.
I get to see the students come in fresh, and then I get to see them excel in their career field, pass their boards, and get out there and rock. This campus and this school is amazing. I love Centura College.
They learn phlebotomy, how to draw blood, how to do glucose drawings, how to take blood pressure. They give shots.
Why not teach the way you're gonna be in the real world?
Hands-on skills are extremely important because you want to feel like that medical assistant who's drawing your blood is not only competent, but confident.
We go out and try to do things to get that hands-on. We try to make it fun. We do field trips.
We're all hands-on and chairside with the patient. So we're preparing the student by creating and reenacting in the classroom that clinical-based setting. So we're letting you know what to do from the moment you see the patient to the moment you're actually doing the procedures.
Lifespan for the U.S. population is always going up. If lifespan goes up, we live longer. And what do we need to maintain that health status? We need health care. Who's going to staff your family practitioner? The medical assistants are. It is an employable field. I don't know the last time you went to the doctor, but I guarantee you interacted with a medical assistant. Because there's always going to be a need, there's always going to be a demand, and there's always going to be a job for that person who wants to be a medical assistant.
You have dreams, you have a career to look forward to, and I'm going to be your partner in this endeavor.
You're going to have this degree to lean back on, and it's going to get you to where you want to be.
If you come to school, and if you want to have a career, you'll be employable as a professional with a career, not just a job.
We have students coming out of high school, and we've got students that are in their 60s and plus. So if this is a desire that you have, a passion, then do it. Come check it out. We have so much to offer. We're always coming up with new programs.
you could be out there doing really well, working at a great facility, good hours, good pay, good location. I think you ought to check it out.